Greetings, Benjamin J. from Benz Trainz with another in the series. Well, about 9 o'clock in the morning, and it snowed last night, believe it or not. It's below freezing, and the ground is covered with snow. So, not going anywhere today, that's for sure. Anyway, I'm going to be running the layout, so I figured I'd do a quick video. The Corona Express is on and running, as you see. And the new switcher running as a switcher. I've had a lot of fun with this since I put that new motor in it. It looks nice, it runs really well, as you can see. The Lionel 2025, been running this a lot. Of course, I was doing a lot of experiments with that remote, so I needed a good heavy locomotive on the layout. So that's pulling 20 cars. And of course, the Commodore Vanderbilt wind-up conversion that I just finished last week, whenever it was. So all tracks running. Don't usually run these all at once. Let me back up here and get an overall shot. Anyway, probably a pretty boring video, but it gives me something to do. Like I said, it snowed last night, so not going anywhere today. Just check tracking on that new remote. Still looks like it's going to be here Monday. Hopefully it'll be here Friday. Just depends on the post office when it actually starts to move. So, just a quick video. Take the Corona Express a bit faster here. So the Corona Express, for being made out of junk, is actually running really well. It looks more than acceptable. The new Commodore Vanderbilt, of course. Looks good, runs great. 2025, pulling a long consist, and that new switcher. Had a lot of fun with this since I put that new motor in it. Put that front coupler on it so I can run it as a switcher. It runs absolutely splendidly, as you can no doubt tell. Good constant speed all the way around the rail. It's pulling, I think, 8 cars. Running backwards, of course, with its new tender. Like I said, I've had a lot of fun with that. I think it's quite striking looking, actually. So I will eventually put a headlight in it. So right now, basically just trying to keep myself entertained. Like I said, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It snowed last night, so there's absolutely no place to go, nothing to do, except play with the trains. Now, I've got these 2 motors, so I'll very likely put them in a shell of some kind today. But in the meantime, just running the trains, killing some time. So I figured I'd do a quick video. And start stopping these here. Corona Express. Switchers coming around. And the Commodore Vanderbilt. That actually came out fairly decent. It runs nice and smooth, it's quiet. Working unit. 490 push rods. As you see, not a bad looking Commodore Vanderbilt, considering it was made out of an old junker. So, in any case, just a quick video, keeping myself occupied. It is Wednesday, it is snowing, it's below freezing outside, so no place to go and nothing to do but run the trains. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.